theme kit for Cheeky Studio for the month of September. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the papers. So now, if you didn't know, Cheeky Studios is doing some kits, so some monthly kits, and this month she started designing her own pattern papers. So I'm looking forward to looking at those. I love those flowers. Ooh, nice and thick. Thick papers. Oh, cardstocks. Okay, so let's look at them. So this is called Wildflower 5, and it's 3 circles, so it's perfect place. Like, basically your triangle is done. You could put a photo here, and a photo there. Add some or one of them for journaling, and a little bit of splatters and maybe enamel dots, and your page is done. But ooh, I really love this side. Oh, decisions. I really love this side. This is Wildflower 6. I love the grid light look, and that it goes from, you know, not solid to solid, and then the little cluster of flowers at the bottom. And then this one is called Wildflowers 1. It's a nice aqua, and again with a cluster of flowers, so really it's done for you. A few lines so that you can do your journaling. And this is Wildflower 2. It's a nice lilac with tone on tone with some leaves, I guess, in different sizes. I think I'm going to use this side. I like this side, but I think, I mean, you have to choose a side, right? And this is Wildflowers 3, which is a peach and pink flowers. Ooh, Wildflower 4, pink on pink, and then you got your flowers already, you know, it already draws your eye from left to right. You can put your flowers in there, your photos here, and just add a few things, and your layout is done. I think this side is going to win for me. Unless the other side I can use it for layering too. But if I was going to use it as a background. Wildflowers 10, it's aqua with some red, it looks like, I don't know, polka dots? Not really polka dots because they're not perfect. And then this is black on black, so two-tone. And it's some leaves on the flower. I think this is the one that I would use as a background, I think. I mean, I haven't even started making page kits. This is the first time that I even see the pages. I didn't even look at other people's unboxing because I wanted to just see it for the first time. Wildflower 7, and it's like strips with flowers at the end. That's kind of cool. I could see like a big title here, and then your flowers here. Or your photos here. I see flowers everywhere. And then the back side of this is a nice yellow with some pink splatters. And then this is Wildflowers 11. It has a border of flowers all the way around with a lilac center. And this is Flowers Everywhere. That's cute. You can also, you know, cut out some of the flowers to add in your embellishment clusters. That's pretty cool. And then the cardstock. Ooh, oh, I love that color. That's going to go well with the kit. That must be some close to my heart cardstock, I would say, because it's two-tone. I think that one is too, but it's not as apparent. But I love that because one sheet of cardstock and you have like your matting. So 4 sheets of cardstock. Now, so let's take these back in, and then we're going to open the embellishments. So we'll just open them up a little bit. Let me see. There. Okay. Just so we have the variety of colors, you can tell how these go really well. Okay, so this is the Wildflowers cut apart label. Let's open this up. Everything is well packaged. Let's see how many sheets are in here. There's 2 sheets. So you have the cut apart labels, and it has different words on it: surprise, hooray, felicity, delight, and joy, glee. And then Wildflowers cut apart circles. I really love those. Again, I punch them and I make my own little flares with them. Love doing that. And then we have these little bows. Let me see if I can open this. I'm stuck to the Scotch tape. Can't open it. I think my hands are still asleep. It's quite early here. Oh, come on. Okay. Well, I'm just going to cut it because I think what happened is the Scotch tape is taping it together. So I'm still going to cut above because it's a resealable bag. There you go. Okay, so these little bows, there's 5 of them. I still have Scotch tape on my hand. There's 5 little bows like this. Adorable. Okay, and then you have these sequins in the colors that are in the kit. So you have some of the lilacs, some pink, and then that color right there, and that color right there. Some orange, some clear, super cute. Then, I think this has got to be my favorite part. There is so many in there. Look how many's in there. Wow. That's a lot of embellishment. That's going to be a ton of layouts. Now let's just look at a few up close. So this is, I think it's Wildflower. Let me see. Yeah, set 5. So she has other little wildflower sets on her website. And I think I've gone through at least a whole package of each, and I've ordered like seconds of the other ones, of all the different ones, because I love them in my embellishment clusters. They're so cute. So some of these have little words attached to them. That says awesome, happy, sassy, create, cool. And then another happy. What I like too is that she does the flowers in different sizes. So it's not all one size. They're all different sizes so that it's easier for layering in your embellishment clusters. There is a ton in here. Holy cannoli. Like, it just goes on, and as they fall. But there is all kinds. So there's some single ones, then there's ones with words, there's clusters of ones. And I still have some in the package. Like, there's still some in here. So a ton of them, which, you know, you can get a ton of layouts done. And then the last thing that's in the kit, I think it's from Close to My Heart. Yes, it is. Close to My Heart. So let me see what's in here, or what it's called. It's called Compliments Prickly Pear. Okay. What's this? Oh, cool. It's like a little booklet, and it has the stickers in there. Oh, cute. Okay, and it goes really well with the kit. So that says happy day, think happy thoughts. So adorable. Yay. So that goes in there. And then what else is in here? There's a whole bunch. Okay. This feels like thin chipboard, I think. Let's see. A little banner. And little words. That's, oh, okay, I get it, I think. That's in the whole kit. That shows everything that's in the whole kit. So it shows what's on the stickers and also what's in the die cuts. I've never had one of those from close to my heart. So that's cool. So instead of taking all those out, I'll just bring this up. So you have like little borders and little labels and circles and speech bubbles. There's going to be little hearts because I don't think I saw, oh, there's a few hearts in the stickers, but I see hearts in here too. So that's cool. So a ton of embellishments between, you know, everything in here and the cut aparts and then everything in here. I'm going to have a ton to make tons of layouts. Now, if you don't know anything about Cheeky Studio, I'll have everything in the description box below. And also, if you use my code, NicoleJones911, you can get 10% off an order that you place on Cheeky Studio. Now, you can't use the 10% coupon on the Kit Club, but you can use it, like if you wanted to go and just buy wildflowers, the previous sets, and I don't know if this set is an exclusive to the kit because sometimes there's some stuff that's exclusive, but if you go on their site you can see all the die cuts that they've had previously, and you can use my coupon code for 10% off. Okay, as I was putting stuff away, this was tucked underneath all the, like the, not the peanut stuff, but the this stuff, so I didn't see it. And so I thought I'd, you know, cut in and show you what it is. So it's some sketches that you can use with this kit. So there's 4 sketches, so that's pretty awesome. So I'll be using some of these sketches for my layouts. So that's it. So on Monday, you'll see my first layout using this kit. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.